Emotional intelligence is the ability to manage both your own emotion and understand the emotion of people around you. There are four key elements to emotional intelligence: self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, and relationship management. Emotional intelligence is defined as the ability to understand and manage your emotion, as well as recognize the influence, the emotions of those around you. Emotional intelligence, otherwise known as emotional quotient, is the ability to understand, use, and manage your own emotion in positive ways to relieve stress, communicate effectively, empathize with others, overcome challenges, and diffuse conflicts.
Good morning. This is my presentation. This painting is from my grandparents from Paris, symbolizing the calmness of nature. Thank you.
Sis, can we talk for a moment?
Sure, right now.
I wanted to discuss your recent project. I feel like there's some miscommunication between us, and I need to address it so we can move smoothly.
I agree. Things have been a bit tense lately.
I value our working relationship, and I want to find a way to collaborate better. Maybe we could schedule a meeting to get over our rules and expectation to ensure we're on the same page.
That sounds like a good idea. I appreciate you reaching out to discuss this.
Great! I will send a meeting invite for later. And if there's anything else you want to discuss in the meantime, my door is always open. So today, good morning. Our agenda is all about our projects and plan in Baguio City.
Hey Angela, is everything alright? You seem quiet today.
Oh, hey Rio. I'm okay. Just had a rough morning.
I understand. Morning can be tough sometimes. If you need to talk or take a break, just let me know.
That ends our meeting. Thank you for your talk.
Hey Faith, I noticed you seem a bit off today. If there's anything you want to talk about, I'm here to listen.
Thanks, Leo. It's just some personal stuff going on at home, but I appreciate your concern.
Of course, anytime. Just remember, we're a team and we're here to support each other, both professionally and personally.
So we've outlined the main point of our research. Princess, what do you think about adding some statistics to support our argument?
Yeah, that's a great idea. We could find some data from the recent studies back up our points.
Princess, do you have any suggestion for the design of the slide? We could use your creative touch.
Princess, we really value your input. We're a team, and your ideas are just as important to us. What do you think about incorporating some visual elements to make the presentation more engaging?
Yeah, I was thinking we could use some infographics to illustrate the key points. It might help the audience better to understand the data. That's a fantastic idea, Princess. We can start looking for templates online and customize them to fit our content.
See, Princess, your ideas are spot on. We're glad you spoke up.
Hello, Faith. Let's meet up after we finish the activity that Mom gave to us. Our call time is 8:30, okay?
Okay, sure.
Hey, Faith. Where are you? I'm still here in our house, but I'm ready to go out. Okay, I'm here at the meeting place. I'll just wait for you.
Self-awareness is your ability to perceive and understand the things that make you who you are as an individual, including your personality, actions, values, beliefs, emotions, and thoughts. Self-management is your ability to regulate your behaviors, thoughts, and emotions in a productive way. This means excelling in both personal and professional responsibilities for benefit of yourself. Social awareness is the ability to take the perspective of empathize with others, including those from diverse backgrounds and cultures. The ability to understand social and
ethical norms for behavior, and to recognize family, school, and community resources. Relationship management is a process in which companies foster positive relationships with their customer or business partners. To do this, relationship managers collect and analyze customer data to find trends and issues that could be useful for improving client communication.